What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a bike I'd like to show you today. We're looking at a 2013 Midnight Pearl Harley Davidson Road King. It's a great touring model. The Midnight Pearl paint job. It does already have an engine guard, of course. Floorboards for the rider and floorboards for the passenger, as you can see there. It still has the factory exhaust header system, but it does have aftermarket slip-ons. RC exhaust is what it says, I believe. It's got the nice hard bags, not the leather wrap, but the actual hard bags. It's a really, really nice Road King. I like that Midnight Pearl color. I'll show you the front tire tread. See, there's plenty of tread on the front tire. It does have upgraded chrome levers with Carioca and ISO grips. There's the other floorboard with the heel toe shifter for the rider, and of course the other floorboard for the passenger. It's got this upgraded seat, two-up seat. It's in really good condition, no rips or tears. Having to do the video inside today because we're having a little bit of rain here in Texas. Show you the back. Rear tire's got plenty of tread, as you can see there. It does have the 4-point docking hardware, so it's easy to add a upright for the passenger, give them a backrest and lean up against. It does also have the quick release windshield, so you can take it on and off very easily for city riding and out of town riding. It does also come with cruise control. You can see the switch right there. That's the cruise control switch, on and off switch. And you got the set and resume switch over here on this side. So that's a nice feature to have. It is powered by the 103 cubic inch motor and a 6-speed transmission. Taking the pictures of it, I didn't really see anything cosmetically that was wrong with it. Of course, it already has the battery tender installed. See how many miles we have. 2,129 miles. So it's still a brand new motorcycle. So I can put it in neutral, give it some gas. Starts right up, no hesitations. You have that RC exhaust slip-ons. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, which means it's had its multi-point inspection. It's gone on at least a 15-mile test ride, and has had a professional detail. We do have plenty of financing options for this motorcycle, along with extended warranty plans. We do sell and ship bikes all over the world and take virtually anything in on trade. So don't hesitate to give us a call. See what we can do about getting you on this 2013 Midnight Pearl Road King. There's that 2-up seat again. Just kind of show you what all it does have on it. If you have any questions about this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team toll free at 817-985-8888, or you can get on our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com and take a look at our full inventory. Well, this is Ian with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. The freedom to choose.